Definitely gonna put this new grill in and see what it do. Yes. What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke back with another video. And we talking Mo G-Pop OBS talk today. So I got my transmission back yesterday. He dropped it off and he blessed your boy with some more transmission fluid because I have spent over $200 on transmission fluid, and it's like me, my OCD, I can't reuse it. I can't reuse the transmission. Once I drain it out, it's over with. It's over with. It's going in the used transmission barrel. But got my transmission yesterday, man. Super excited about that. So this evening I'm probably gonna be putting that transmission back in. But I ain't gonna lie, gang, I'm scared. I am scared to put that transmission back in there because I need that thing to work. I need it to work. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I need it to work. And we're probably gonna be doing a swap on G-Pop. So all the stuff that I'm doing right now is probably gonna be coming back out anyway. But yeah, man, for those of y'all who haven't already, man, do your boy a favor, man, hit that like, share, comment, subscribe, join the Fizzle gang. We're gonna be doing weekly uploads on the channel, and give y'all a little update on the Eclipse too, man. I've been driving the Eclipse, but y'all know I bought that Eclipse for my daughter, and there's a lot of blind spots like in the back, and she needs something with more visibility. And she told me she wanted a Camaro, but I'm like, the same blind spots that's in the Eclipse is in the Camaro. But whatever. If that's what she want, that's what she want. So the Eclipse is on the chopping block. If anybody want it, bring me 4500, take it with you. You can drive it home. But yeah, that's on the chopping block. And then gonna be working on the Volvo. I'm gonna have to do some head work on that. I'm gonna have to pull that head off and get the valves done on the Volvo. But I can't do that until after I get G-Pop running, because I got a bunch of stuff around the house that I need hauled away, and G-Pop's the only truck that I have. I mean, I could hook up the trailer to the Yukon, but I don't want to do all that. And then I got a part coming for the Yukon. So I got a bunch of stuff rolling right now. But I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I hadn't posted before my last video. The reason why I hadn't posted is because, man, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I was pissed about my transmission. Pissed because I handpicked all those parts. All the parts that go in there, I handpicked them all, and they were all heavy duty, top of the line parts. So for me to put the transmission in, or put the transmission in, break the tab, take the transmission out, get the tab fixed, put the transmission back in, transmission don't have no drive, third or fourth, take the transmission back out, get the transmission looked at again, put it back in, still don't have no drive, third or fourth, take the transmission back out, get a new torque converter, put the transmission back in, still no third. Man, I mean, the transmission has just been in and out, and I'm just sick of taking that transmission in and out of that truck, man. I ain't gonna lie, because it's a good truck. It's straight pipe. It's got high flow. When I got it, John had the motor replaced in it, so I know that the motor's okay, but that motor's coming out because we're getting ready to swap it. Yeah, we're getting ready to LS swap it. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the gems on y'all right now. We are going to LS swap G-Pop. I was kind of in a toss-up of whether I should LS swap G-Pop or LS swap Chocolate Girl to Tahoe, but my son been driving the Tahoe because his car is jacked up, and I don't think he has no plans on getting it fixed because he likes driving the Tahoe. But he got to understand, I got a lot of money in that Tahoe. A lot of money. Y'all have seen the journey. So y'all know. So, I ain't too pressed about letting him drive it or whatever, but if he gonna continue to drive it, he's got to take care of it. He did do an oil change on it. He did. I commend him for doing the oil change. You know what I'm saying? He's gonna have to do the air filter, and he's gonna have to do the spark plugs because it's time for those to be done too. So, yeah, man. G-Pop is in the future, and I'm gonna start on G-Pop soon as we doggone get to the house because I'm excited and I'm ready for that transmission to go in, and I'm ready to drive my truck. I'm tired of it sitting because every man needs a truck. Yeah. Anyway, man, I'll get back with y'all whenever we get to the shop. All right. Let me clean y'all's face off. Hold on, man. Let me clean y'all's face. Yeah. Okay. So we back in here. Yeah, we back in here. And there's our tranny right there. Tow converter, transmission. So I'm not gonna bore y'all with the process. Man, I can't wait to get this motor rolling. I really can't. I'm not gonna bore y'all with the process, but we're gonna go on ahead and snap to it and get that thing in there. I'm trying to have that damn transmission in there in a couple of hours. It need to be in there. Truck need to be moving. So I'm not gonna hold y'all up, and I'm not gonna waste time filming none of it since y'all already know what's going on, because I'm kind of, you know what I'm saying, I'm kind of excited, a little frustrated, a little frazzled, a little dazzled, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it, and I'll be right back when I get it in. All right, it's over with. We got that thing put in there. This guy right here, he came to the party late, but it's all good though. It's all good, you know what I'm saying?
I did what I could.
You did what you could? Yeah. He did, I can't lie. He put them drive shafts in for me. And he helped me put that doggone transfer case in there. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate it. But she in there, so now we're gonna fill her up with fluid. Connect that battery, fill her up with fluid, connect that battery, and we're gonna see what it is. I'll be back once we do all that. All right. It's a new day. We got this thing buttoned together last night. It do move under its own power. So we're gonna take it for a drive today. But we're gonna put that grill in. See, that's the old grill. We're gonna put this doggone new grill in. Yeah. We definitely gonna put this new grill in and see what it do. Yes. Definitely gonna put this new grill in. I'm excited. Very excited. So let me get up under here and see if anything leaked. If anything leaked down last night, and then I'm gonna check my fluid, and then we're gonna pull this thing out and see what it do. She look real good, and she move on her own power. He moved under his own power, but man, I like that grill. Now, all I need is some chrome wheels. Yep, I'm gonna get some. These tires is brand new right here. These wheels is brand new. If y'all go back and y'all look at my video, I don't have many miles on these. This is the wheel and tire setup, but I actually bought these wheels for Chocolate Girl over there. Yeah, I actually bought these wheels. That's why they got the black lip. So if I come across some 28 inch reps, yeah, chrome, I might go ahead and snatch them up. But in the meantime and in between time, we're finna get out of here, man. And yeah, that mug look gravy. That mug look real good. If anything else interesting happen, gang, we'll be back. Yeah, it's another day, another $2. But whoever this is right here is sliding with me through Shelby. Boy, that thing there clean. I'm talking about y'all. That thing there clean, boy. It clean. We slid probably from Charlotte to Shelby. Dang, you see that? They almost smacked the back. They tripping. They angry. People in front of us. But anyway, they slide, boy. That new thing right there. I'm gonna get some doggone rolling shots up whenever he get up the side of us. Yeah, I'm gonna get some rolling shots as soon as he get up the side of us. So I'm right here, rolling.